What is affiliate marketing for beginners? Well, first of all, I realized that there is like a million videos on YouTube speaking about this topic, okay? So if you chose to click on mine, well, first of all, welcome and thank you. I'd like to recognize and appreciate you giving me your time and attention, and I promise you I'm gonna try my best to deliver the best value and information on this topic as humanly possible. So here's what we're gonna cover in this video. We're gonna cover what is affiliate marketing and why is it one of the easiest, okay, business models with a low barrier to entry but has a potential to create you extreme wealth if done right. How to choose the best affiliate products or offers and where to find them. We're also going to cover what is the number one mistake that most new affiliate marketers make and how to avoid it. And number four, what is the main difference between affiliate marketing and other popular online business models like Amazon FBA, dropshipping marketing agencies, MLM, and so on, and which one is the best for your personality. Yeah, I'm gonna go there. And as a bonus, if you stick till the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a resource where to find the best marketing strategies that are working right now. But that's only if you stick till the end of the video, because frankly, between you and me, if you're not able to stick to this whole entirety of this video, how else are you expecting to be successful in life, right? Also, if you're new to this channel, I ask you to subscribe and hit the notification bell button because I upload videos every single week on how to create your financial freedom using your laptop and the power of the internet. Why? Because I personally am sick and tired of this whole corporate slavery and 9-to-5 and job and boss and everything. So that's why I chose to do this channel, to document my own journey, and everything I speak about here I apply to my own business and to my own growth so that I can be free as well. So if you resonate with this and you want to grow with me, consider to subscribe and also hit the like button because that helps me and helps the algorithm to tell that this video is interesting enough, provides enough value so that YouTube will find more awesome people like you, and that will help me to spread the message. Okay, let's go to the topic. Number one, what is affiliate marketing? So let me tell you something. Affiliate marketing has been around for centuries, and you, my friend, are an affiliate marketer as well. Have you ever been to a restaurant where you really like the service, the food, the prices, or have you ever seen a movie that you really loved and then you went out and told the whole world about it? Well, that's affiliate marketing, except in this case, you're not getting paid for it. So what it means is that you will choose a product or service that you know something about, or that you're passionate about, or that you're familiar with, or you already use, and then you will create or the company will give you your unique affiliate link. Then you will go online, speak about it, recommend it, or promote it, and through a variety of strategies that I will show you at the end of the videos, right? And then when somebody clicks on that link and purchase that product, you will get paid a commission, right? So basically, in other words, if you are already doing something, or if you're already using a product or service, why not get paid for it? Okay, companies are eager to provide you and pay you a commission because, first of all, that's additional money, because through your efforts you will bring more people or more eyeballs to that offer, to that service, right? And they're willing to share the cut of the profits with you. Okay, so that's in a nutshell what is affiliate marketing, and that's why it's one of the easiest business models and with the low barrier to entry. Why? Glad you asked, you know, because why? If you think about it, if you would like to start another business like e-commerce store, right? So what you have to do is you have to create the inventory, you have to create the shipping and handling, the customer service, the marketing around it, the promotion, the advertising, all kinds of stuff, right? So that's a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of overhead cost, a lot of, you know, headache, right? So in other words, affiliate marketing, the whole thing that I just described you is done by the company. All you have to do as an affiliate marketer is basically bring traffic or people or eyeballs to that offer. That's all. you know, you just do that through your affiliate link, and that's it. The rest of the heavy lifting will do the company for you, meaning the email sequences, the marketing, the remarketing, retargeting, customer service, shipping and handling, you know, cashbacks, on all that kind of stuff will be taken care of by the company. Okay, so that's why it's one of the easiest barriers of entry, and if done right, it can create tremendous wealth. I know I've been in this space for a couple of years right now, and I've seen people, and I know some people that are able to make 6 figures with just affiliate marketing. Okay, listen to me, 6 figures a month. Can you imagine that? How much freedom, how much time, how much possibilities and options would that give you to your life if you would be able to do the same? Okay, moving on. How to choose the best affiliate products and where to find them. Okay, so this is a double-edged sword, right? So a lot of new people and a lot of newbies, and that was certainly my case, were jumping on shiny object syndrome, right? Oh, what's hot right now? Oh, I'm gonna go promote that. I'm gonna, like, look, stop right there. Okay, I'm gonna tell you from the bottom of my heart the honest advice. Choose products or services, okay, and this is the part how to choose them. Choose the ones that you already know something about or use or are familiar about, and the best case scenario that you're passionate about, something within your niche. Niche, if you don't know the word, is basically a category that you are familiar with. Okay, so there are 3 main niches in the whole world, okay, and that's wealth, health, and relationships. Okay, and within these 3 niches that we can niche down to more specific, you know, for example, wealth. It could be a certain diet, like a keto diet, that's very niche down, okay? Relationship, it might be a counselor for a broken marriage or a dating coach, right? And wealth, it could be how to make money online, and if you want to niche down, I can teach you how to make Amazon FBA store, right? So these are the 3 niches. So which one is yours? Which one are you most passionate about, right? So choose a product or service within your niche, that's how, and where to find them. Well, there are basically 2 ways. There are certain marketplaces online where companies go and they will upload their services or products where other affiliates can come and they can grab their affiliate links. For example, the biggest one and the most popular one is ClickBank, okay, clickbank.com. The other one would be JVZoo, Warrior Plus, okay, and these platforms or marketplaces for affiliate offers and affiliate marketers. Or you can just simply look up your favorite company or favorite product and you just type in the product or the company, okay, in Google, and then you will put affiliate program, and then you will see if that company or product has affiliate program to it, and then you will just sign up as an affiliate and you will follow their instructions on how to do that, and then they will create your unique affiliate link, right? Moving on, what is the #1 mistake new affiliate marketers make and how to avoid it? So #1 mistake is basically you should treat this as a business. As I told you before, your only job is to bring traffic or eyeballs to the offer, but also you should start building your own email list. What do I mean by that? Yes, I can choose an affiliate offer, an affiliate link, and I will put it online, and then I will send people to it. And then when somebody signs up, the company pays me a commission, right? But then what happens with that person, right? It's lost. I don't know them. I have no contact on them, right? So the company keeps it with it. So why not building a little simple landing page? And by the way, I have a full video tutorial on how to make landing page very simple to collect leads and to collect email addresses, right? You can watch it right up here. So why not create a simple landing page where you will collect the lead first and then you will redirect them to that offer, right? That not only will help you build your own list, which you can then use and it's yours, right? Nobody can ever take away from you that list. And then you can remarket if you decide to promote other offers. If you decide to promote other products within your same niche, you can remarket that to your list, and then you can keep compiling and compounding your profits with your email list, right? So again, #1 mistake is that the affiliate marketers, they only send people to the offer and they collect commissions. So what to avoid is always send people first to your landing page, which you can learn how to do in the video above or in my channel, and collect your leads and build your email list so that you can remarket them and ultimately use that list as your own ATM machine. Because guess what? Based on statistics, each lead on your email list is worth $1 a month, okay, of income. So imagine that if you manage to build a list to up to 10,000 leads, that list is worth $1 per lead a month. That means basically $10,000 a month only having that list, okay? So imagine the power of that, right? By the way, that's email marketing. I have another video on this topic and with a free course on how to make it work, the email marketing. You can check it up here, okay? On my channel, I'll be dropping more videos on this topic because that's just not that, you know, the whole thing is, there's so much going into it, so many tactics and strategies, which by the way, the bonus is coming up. If you're still to the end, I will show you where to find all the strategies. Now, moving on to the next point, and that is, what is the difference between affiliate marketing and other popular business online models right now, which is Amazon FBA, e-commerce, dropshipping, you know, MLM, agencies, things like that, you know, and what it has to do with your personality. Yeah, so look, I don't know you, I'm literally just speaking to a camera right now, but I know one thing, okay? No matter who you are, where you are in the world, no matter what your zodiac sign is, okay, I know one thing, and that is every business venture, everything is hard, okay? Every path, every way is hard to start. There's gonna be obstacles, okay? So, could you be successful with dropshipping? Hell yeah, you could. Could you be successful with Amazon FBA? Damn sure you could. Could you be successful with affiliate marketing? Hell yeah, alright? But that only will depend on one thing, and that is your willingness to take the hits and overcome obstacles, okay? So no matter which business model, I'm not bashing no business models here, okay? Every business model can work, and there are people tremendously successful in them, and also there are so many people who have failed with them, okay? So I'm not bashing no business model, I'm just telling you that your personality, your mindset, okay, and I don't want to take this to the whole philosophical way here, okay, but listen to me very carefully. Maybe affiliate marketing is your first thing that you would like to try online. Maybe it's your 55th thing. I go, okay, I don't know. I was there, okay, before. I was looking for every shining object, you know, and I was jumping from dropshipping to, you know, this agency and lotion potions and stuff like that. I was there, okay? And I know that I failed every single one of them. Could I be successful in every single one of them? Hell yeah, I could. But I didn't have the right mindset. I didn't have the right thinking that going into anything, any venture, okay, is gonna cost me some effort. It's gonna cost me some time, some sacrifice before the momentum and the ball starts rolling. I don't know if you feel me on this one, right? So that's the point that I wanted to really make clear for you, because affiliate marketing can make you filthy rich, okay? Ridiculous. You can be ridiculously successful with that, and you can be successful with that if you're following the right strategies very fast, okay? Or it could be another failure for you. And then you can go around and tell, hey, it's a scam, let's try this one, and then you can spend your whole life and waste years, because guess what? The time will pass. Whether you will do the effort or not, the time will pass. Okay, you can spend and waste years just like I did before, half-assing things, and then going around that, oh, this didn't work, oh, poor me, or that's the problem of because I'm black, or I'm Latino, or I'm from this country, or whatever, okay? There are people successful in every circumstance, okay, no matter where you are, because the power of the internet, it's global, okay? It's called WWW, the World Wide Web. World, okay? We're all connected. Everybody can be successful online only if they have the right mindset and they are willing to put the work in, and they're willing to do whatever it takes to start being successful, okay? And that brings me to the bonus part. As I mentioned earlier, okay, there's so many different strategies, like so many of them. By the way, if you go on Google and if you type in how to make money online, you will get over 4 billion results. So which one to choose from? Well, let me tell you something. Here's a little thing. This is a thing that helped me tremendously. I'm not telling you that, okay? I'm just recommending it, just like affiliate marketer. There is a course, or it's called 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. Okay, if you like challenges, if you like overcoming obstacles, and if you like being challenged, well, this is the thing for you, because in these 15 days, here's what's inside.
High ticket freelance digital marketing business. So these are the days and what you will learn each day, right? So you can have a little quick briefing on what you were going to learn inside the 15-day online business challenge, right? So this is the number one secret to starting scaling a high ticket business. Day number two, the core 4 high ticket business models online, and so on and so forth. Once you are inside, what is also going to happen here is this is the dashboard of each day. You're gonna have your video and you're gonna have your assignment, right? But also what is included is not only a Facebook group where there is all the support and like-minded people, but also you get your free bonus scripts and templates, and also you get your own one-on-one business plan call with an advisor to claim your bonuses. And also this is already inside the program included and for free, right? So that's pretty much awesome.
This course is made by Dave Sharp, okay? Dave Sharp is a failure, drug addict, and complete loser, homeless. And he was able to transform his life. His story resonates with me, and that's why I decided to listen to him, okay? And basically, right now, he's one of the legends in the whole online marketing industry, right? And in this 15-day challenge, it's not only about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just one leg under the whole umbrella of this online marketing world and digital marketing. So he will give you each day an assignment and different type of view and strategy on how this whole digital marketing world works. So basically in 15 days, you will have the whole foundation on how you can start your own online business. So I recommend it to you with my heart, because I took the course and it really helped me jumpstart the whole business and start doing the things right for the first time. Not dabbling here and there, but just doing them the right way from the get-go. And that's what it's about, because then it starts to take on the momentum, okay? So it's not free, it's only $7, okay? This is ridiculous. Like a cup of coffee in Starbucks can get you 15 days of worth of training and the knowledge that will never ever, nobody will take it away from you, okay? And you can start the foundation of your own online marketing business, okay? So I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. If you found value in this video, leave it a thumbs up, okay? As I said, it helps me. And also, if you haven't already, subscribe. And till next time, my friend, go online and make it fucking happen, all right? See you there.